among the 8 that are supposed to happen. So we've already done 7 regions. As you know, the way the country was divided into 8 provinces. So Central will be the last one, and we have already selected about 14 teams, and we are waiting for the 2 teams that will come from this region, so that we can hit the 16 teams that will represent, that will go and play in Kisumu, I think in the week of 14th next month. 8 teams participating from Saturday to Sunday, and I think we have Katsville from Kirinyaga, and I think Kianga from Kirinyaga that will be representing the team. The best team will win 250,000. That is the boys team and the girls team, and the runners-up will win about 150,000 shillings. We'll also have prizes for the best goalkeeper, best MVP player, and the top goal scorer, who will get about 30,000 shillings each.